Okay, welcome, dear participants. Now there's another session. Now we have to discuss about the confirmatory FET analysis. Actually, we have conducted EFA, the exploratory FET analysis using SPSS, but a researcher cannot do the confirmatory FET analysis, CFA. That is the validation of the measurement model with the help of SPSS for conducting CFA, for conducting confirmatory factor analysis. Researcher has to use another software, that is AMOS software. Wait, I may share my AMOS platform to you. Share. This is the AMOS platform. Okay. Then you can see I am already okay. I may do once again. First of all, you have to remember the 5 factors we have already identified when we conducted the EF analysis. Please remember the names of those 5 factors. Otherwise, you cannot do the CFA analysis. Please remember the name of those 5 factors. Otherwise, you cannot do the CFA analysis with the help of the AMOS software. Those 5 factors. First one, policy of Europe. We have identified 5 variables. Then policy of USA. We have identified 4 variables in our session, but I have rechecked it again. At that time, there is a menu. You can see the video. Surplus small coefficients, I have given 0.50. After the class, I have taken another chance and I have typed the 0.40. That means surplus small coefficients, I have inserted another value. Instead of 0.50, I have given 0.40. Then I have got US2 as a valid variable. That means no problem. Policy of USA, 5 variables. Then policy of China, 5 variables. Global was another factor, 5 variable. Indian economy, 5 variable. No problem. Then I have already downloaded the SPSS file, and as a first step, I have to click the picture-like tool and drag it to the screen. Then click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pictures. Now there is no relevance to the relationship. In covariance-based structural modeling, that is the next step. In covariance-based structural modeling, you should build a theory indicating the relationship. Now there is no relevance to the relationship between the factors. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, fifth factor. 1. Okay, there's a mistake. Then please type this and delete it. Okay. Okay. Then type it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then you have to transfer the variable into rectangle-like boxes. This is the variable menu, list of variable in data set. Then click on. Then first EC1, then EC2, then EC3, then EC4, then EC5, then second US1, then US2, then US3, then US4, next US5, okay, then SC1, policy of China, SC2, policy of China, then SC3, the SC4, the SC5, the then next factor, global wars here, then GW2, the then GW3, the then GW4, the GW5, the if there's any mistake, we cannot get the result. We cannot get the output. IE1, Indian economy. IE2, please do carefully, otherwise we cannot get the output. I34, IE5. Then you have to, in circle-like boxes, you have to insert the unobserved variable. Those 25 variables are the expected observed variable, but in CFA, we expect the presence of unobserved variables also. Then please click plugins, name unobserved variable. Then you can see another 25 unobserved variable like E1, E2, E3, etc. Then next step, you have to name the factors. Then please click on the F1. Then that is, I think it is policy of Europe. Then policy. Then you have to, you cannot type policy of Europe. Then you have to use underscore. Underscore. Under policy, please type policy. Then then please use underscore. Otherwise, please type policy of. Then use underscore. Such like. Then shift plus. Please wait. Shift plus underscore. Then policy. Then you can see the underscore. Then policy of. No space between the words. Policy of Europe, policy of Europe. If there's any mistake, we cannot get the result. Then next, it is policy of USA. Then here, policy. Then underscore, shift plus underscore. Yes. Then policy of no space between the words. Policy USA here, policy of China, such like POLICY, again shift plus underscore. Policy of China, then global wars, such like GLOBAL, then shift plus underscore. If there is any mistake, you cannot get the output. Then here, Indian economy, such like Indian, please use underscore. Okay, Indian economy, no space between the words. Okay. Then please select those 5 pictures. Then please use this menu, select one object at a time, click, then you can see a blue color circles. Okay, blue color. Then please do the plugins menu, draw covariances, click on it. Then you can see the covariances picture. There are covariances among the factors. Then please use the deselect. You need not use the blue color lanes. Then please, to avoid blue color from the picture, please use this menu, deselect all object. Click on it. Okay. Now once again, black color lanes. The next step, you have to use the analyze menu. Analyze properties. Then you need not do anything. Please check the boxes. Maximum likelihood, fit the default items, numerical default item, bias default item. Otherwise you can S maximum likelihood. Then output all of the default items. Modification, please, modification indices. Then correlation estimates, covariance estimates, test for normality, minimization history. We need not want it. Then standardized estimate, squared multiple correlation. If there is any mistake, we cannot get the result. Then we have to recheck again the analysis properties menu. Okay. Then the last step, calculate estimates. Please click on it. Then please save the file. The software told you to save the file. CFA new. It is a file name. Okay, save. Then you can see the result. Then please click on red arrow. Okay, you can see the standardized estimate and unstandardized estimate. Then it is the output box. View test if it is correct or incorrect. Yes, it is correct. No problem. It is correct. Okay. It is correct. Model fit. Okay, model fit. It is correct. Okay, it is correct. It is a CFA picture. It is the confirmatory fact analysis picture figure. In our next session, I may discuss. I may told you. I may explain about the output. There are so many output boxes we can see. Whenever we click on the view test menu box, we can see so many output boxes. A detailed explanation needed based on each box. Then I may continue the explanation in the next session. Okay, thank you. I am your course coordinator and course instructor, Dr. Shivakumar A. FCMA, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Nilakanta Government Sanskrit College, Pattambi, Palakkad District, Kerala. I am a fellow member of the Institute of Cost Accounts of India. Besides, I am an approved PhD grade of the Calicut University. Okay, thank you. Stop share.